In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper radiator fan shroud on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver. You can slide that off the throttle body. Just rock it back and forth, just like that. Right here, if there's a retainer holding the hose on, you want to pop that off. You can just use a screwdriver or a trim tool. Pop that off. Over here, loosen up this worm clamp. And just slide that off. Grab the snorkel and pull it out. Disconnect the connector right here. And you can grab the air box. Just pull it straight up. There's a couple retainers holding it down, and just slide it out of the way. Using a trim tool, there's a retainer right here that attaches the hose to the cover. Just pop up the hose, and there's another hose right here. Just pop that up out of the way. Using a 10mm socket, take the two bolts out on top. There's two push pins on the side. Just use a trim tool, pop those out. And then do the same on the other side. And pop those off. Just lift the hoses out of the way. And just slide the top fan shroud out. And slide the hoses out of the way. Take the upper fan shroud. Line that up. Should line up with the pins down below. Get these bolts started. I'm not going to tighten them down yet. Take the push pins, line those up, secure those down. Do the same on the other side. Tighten the bolts down. Just snug. Secure the hose, push the retainer down. You can take this retainer off the old one, just using a trim tool. Just pop that out, slide that in position, push it down, and take the hose, push that down. Take the air box, line it up, and push it down. Take the connector, lock it in place. Take the snorkel, get it lined up. Slide it over. Slide it over the throttle body. Tighten this down. And just snug that down. Do the same on this one. Snug that down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.